Welcome back to Area Diesel Service, your diesel experts since 1973. Today we're going to do a short video that we're going to refer to as the parts counter. We're going to pull out some specific products. We're going to talk about their specific features and benefits. Might get into a little bit of technical information, things to look out for. These videos are going to try and cover the type of conversations we have at our parts counter regarding these specific parts. So maybe we'll save you a trip or get you some information out there regarding some of the stuff that we're distributing. Okay, today we're looking at part number 11-7003. This is going to be your late 7.3 liter Ford HEUI style injector. 12.7 of 98 and up, so your last iteration of 7.3 Power Stroke. And be careful, number 8 cylinder on these engines technically calls for a different part number. That would be 11-7004. They call that a prime shot or a split shot injector to cure what back in the day was commonly referred to as a cackle. Some folks adhere to that recommendation, some folks ignore it. We don't seem to find much issue going either way. This injector is under the MAGNUM brand, so an Area Diesel remanufactured unit, 2-year guaranteed part acceptance warranty coverage, and labor paid upon fault found claims. So this injector is also available in a Pro Package. This kit's pretty basic on a 7.3. You get 7 of the 11-7003 AD Code Injectors. You get 1 piece of an 11-7004, which is the AE Code Injector. You get valve cover gaskets for both sides, injector wiring harness for underneath the valve cover, and you get pigtail repair kits should your factory wiring harness be brittle or frayed on the injector connectors. One thing that's not included in your Pro Package is your injector cup. These are not always replaced during injector installation, but we do have them available. This is part number 60-1016. Good thing to think about when you're doing an injector replacement. So that's another episode of the Parts Counter here at Area Diesel Service. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can call us at 800-637-2658. You can email us at parts@areadiesel.com. You can log on to our website at areadieselservice.com, and you can also chat with us instantly on our website through the button in the bottom right hand corner. Please like and subscribe. Share this content if you found it beneficial. Leave us a comment below if there is something else you'd like us to showcase or talk about. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave them there and we'll try and cover them on the next episode of the Parts Counter.